Yo, good morning, everybody. How is it going? How's it going out there today? How'd you guys do yesterday? Yesterday morning, man, the SPY chopped me up yesterday morning. And it wasn't until the afternoon that I caught a real nice green trade on it, knocked down more than half of my red on the day. So that was welcoming. Basically right after Jerome Powell stopped his interview, which was a big nothing burger. Just like I said in chat, some people asked, some of the members asked in chat, Jesse, what are your thoughts on what Jerome Powell had to say? And I was like, there's no thoughts, there's nothing. He said nothing. He literally said nothing. Well, there's one thing he said where it sounded like he said, we don't know what we're doing. And right there at that moment, the market pulled back pretty hard. But outside of that, the man didn't say anything. He just doubled down on everything else he's been saying for a while. Right after he was done, market shot right back up, grabbed calls, and rode those. Let me see, I posted in chat, I posted my orders. I got long the 407 calls, the 18th expiration today. I got long at 214, took profits at 245, 269, 264, 276, and then again at 264. And that was it. Good little trade. Brought back a lot of my red. It was smaller size since I was already 0 for 2 on the day from the morning. My rule is 3 strikes you're out. I have one more trade left in me. Kind of brought the size down a little bit on that one just to really be patient with it, let it work properly. And if it went red on me, it wouldn't really hurt the day too much more than it was, Let me put out a couple of posts here, guys. Good morning, Marshall, Dwayne. Trading with Tito, Joe. Good morning, good morning. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm just going to put out a quick tweet and a Facebook post. And then I'm going to start getting ready for the raffle. I want to get everybody's name down. We're going to do a raffle today. All right. So today we're going to be doing a raffle, guys. Same rules as usual. You have to type in chat to be entered into the raffle. And you have to be here present by 8:55 a.m. at a minimum. So when I announce the winner, you can claim your prize in the live feed. Otherwise, the prize will be forfeited, move on to another day. So let me start writing down everybody's name here. Marshall, Dwayne, and Joe. All right, cool beans. So yeah, guys, you have to post in chat and you have to be here. Excuse me, I have to be here until the end of the stream to get a shot at that raffle. I'll give you instructions on how to claim it at that point. Yannick, let's put you in that raffle. If you've won in the past, guys, you can still win again. It'll just be a different prize than you received the previous time. Investments. Robert, good morning. Putting you in the raffle. Ernesto, putting you in the raffle. Good morning, good morning. All right, guys. So, also, do me a solid. Just because, right? Hit that like button because it feeds the YouTube overlords. And those suckers got to be fed. Otherwise, they keep my channel down. All right, guys, any tickers, any questions before we jump into it? Now's the time. Any trading related questions? Jesse, how do you manage risk? Jesse, how do you trade such and such pattern? Or, hey, Jesse, can you look at Walmart for me and tell me what you think? I don't know, just saying the ticker. You tell me. Target is down 24% on the day. Oof. I just got to my desk with you guys here. You know what happened this morning was super simple for me. Honestly, it went down like this. I woke up perfectly on time. My wife went and got the baby. My kid ran all the way into the room. I was still in bed eating crap on my phone on Twitter. And she said she wanted to climb up in bed and put on cartoons. So, that's exactly what I did. It's exactly what I did. I said to myself, man, you work, you know, this is what you do. You're here. Spend an extra 10 minutes in bed watching cartoons with your kid. This is exactly what you do. So that's what I did. That's exactly what I did. Target's down 20%. Target shares dropped sharply on Wednesday after the company said its quarterly profits got hit by supply chain troubles, higher fuel costs, and lower than expected sales of discretionary merchandise. You know, this makes me think that prices are just going to keep going. Because what happened here is prices were where they were, right? They had gone up, but they were kind of like maybe stabilizing a little bit in the store. High as crap, but kind of maybe a little stabilizing, and it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. Gas shot up really quickly. The big box retailer said it saw a healthy customer, but a shift to experience-based purchases such as toys for birthdays, parties, and luggage for trips. We've been saying it for a while. Hotels, airfare, all of that is going to start climbing here. We've been saying it for a while now. Target retrained its revenue forecast, which calls for mid-single-digit growth this year and beyond. Let's go take a look at that chart. Oh, bro, it looks like Walmart yesterday. Look at that thing. Are you kidding me? I think Walmart heading even lower thanks to Target. That support zone is gone. I don't think these 147s are going to be visited anytime soon. We'll take those lines off on Walmart as well. I think you got some possible major support down here in the low 120, in the mid 120s. We are kind of starting to bounce off that level now. Dan B, good morning. Let me put you in the raffle for today. The Elvis, gotcha. Low. Hold on, guys. What the hell did I just do to my chart here? Give me 1 second here. Let me restart these charts. Mauro, good morning. Putting you in the raffle. Guys, remember, for the raffle, you must be here until the end of the stream to claim your prize. All right, so what was it that you had asked me for? LOW? That's not a ticker. It actually just screws up my chart somehow. Maybe it is a ticker and my charts are just acting funny. Restarting them again. Every time I type in that LOW, these charts get screwy. It is a ticker. It's Lowe's. That's what I thought it was. But for some reason, it's really... Every time I type it... There we go. There we go. Okay, it worked. I don't know why. Every time I typed Lowe's, it really messed up the charts there. When Low has room down to 108... I'm sorry, 180. You have previous support there. Previous resistance right there. Previous resistance right there. So you have some room there to 180, and that 180 could be a potential strong zone for a bounce. So I'd keep eyes on that. It was a very strong level of resistance previously. Got a double top, basically a double top all-time high there. Double top all-time high there. Then we tore right through that, and then we pulled in here a little bit and held it, and then we bounced off of that to new highs again. All right, so that's what I would look for on low. Joey, good morning. Let me put you in the raffle. Remember, guys, in order to participate in the raffle, you must type in chat, and you must be here at the end of the stream. The stream ends at 9. We'll be running the raffle right before that. Young, good morning. Adding you to the raffle there as well. Did I get you, Taylor? No, I did not. Yeah, Taylor, some crazy charts for sure. Taylor Adams in the raffle there as well. Mauro, did I get you? Yes, I did. All right, cool beans. All right, guys. So any other tickers you want me to take a look at for you? No, Taylor, the fish tank's actually outside in the... I cleaned it up big time. I don't think I'm going to reset it. I don't think I'm going to set it up again. AGRI. Let's go take a look. AGRI. Wow, man. You know what I like about this AGRI here? It has not shied away recently at all. It's been ugly, choppy. You know, very, very choppy. Oh, we're going to go. No, we're not. Oh, we're going to go. No, we're not. Oh, we're going to go. No, we're not. It's very, very, very choppy. However, if it can get over 306, that $3 zone, it's got potential there. It could see a move there to 4. I'm actually going to put it on the watch list. AGRI, if it can get over 3 and hold, could have room towards $4. It has traded rather grindy, choppy recently. Baba. I'm gonna take off these lines. For Baba, you're going to have some 50-day moving average resistance there possibly. But, I mean, there's just not a whole lot going on right now. You could see the range is rather small. I mean, ideally, you'd want to see it hold above yesterday's highs. But there's not a whole lot going on here. You had a nice little bounce attempt here. It's looking like it's running out of steam some. But if it can hold those 88s, if it can hold 88 to 87, that whole 87 to 88 zone, maybe it gets a little move here that could take it back into like 97, 98 area. It's possible. But I don't like the chart too much right now. BBIG. Let's take a look at BBIG for you. Let's see. BBIG, we've actually, oh, you know what, Cam? Let me add you to the raffle. Cam Synthetics added you to the raffle now. BBIG hasn't done anything. If you look at this chart, it really hasn't done anything. It's just trading sideways here. The good thing is it's not selling off. You got 194 support, but you have 355 resistance. It has not been able to get through that here very recent. If it can get through that level and the 200-day moving average, you could have some room there where you could see the 5s. Tim Doe, good morning. Let's put you in that raffle. Guys, remember, in order to participate in the raffle, you must comment in the chat section there, in the live chat, and be here by the end of the stream for when I run the raffle. DWAC. Oh, wait, I missed one. MCHP. MCHP. I mean, the chart it's in the chop. It's not anywhere clean. You're at a clear level of resistance right now, okay? Right here, you got what is called the death cross. At the 50-day cross over that 200-day moving average, what you look for there is 50-day moving average resistance, which so far has been the case. All right? If that level continues to hold resistance, you could see this thing drop a little bit more. I mean, you got some possible support right here around 66. And then you have the strong support, or the possibly strong support, down there in the $63 zone. You can see that one touch here. Another one here. And another one here. Oh, my eyes are so dry. So that's what I would look for there. 50-day moving average resistance. 63, 64 support. All right, so that's MC. Where'd it go? There it is. MCHP. Invest in Snow. We talked about Snow the other day for that 162-ish resistance. Sure enough, there it is. And now we're pulling back some. I mean, there's not anything going on right now. This is not a level that I would be looking at. Maybe 137.50s can hold support. But I mean, at this point, if I were, let's say I would have gotten short up here or bought puts, I would be looking to get a little piece of profit off here at least. Holding on to some for 131s, then maybe see if the 120s get tested. That's about it. There's really nothing going on there on Snow. DWAC, I suspect that not a whole lot has happened there. I know that Twitter's suffering. DWAC has taken a little bit of advantage of that with a little bounce, but so far there's nothing huge going on here. You might be starting a little bit of a reverse head and shoulders, possibly. Left shoulder, head. Now you're going to need that right shoulder to show up. So that's something to keep an eye on. But you have 53 resistance here, which coincides with the 50-day moving average, which is that blue line on the chart. Joe Taylor says, say something with your big boy voice. Get in this raffle. Remember, guys, you got to chat in the chat section to enter the raffle. I'll run the raffle at the end of the live stream. Mark, do I got you in here? Nope. Let's add you to the raffle. Mark Campbell. Good morning. Good morning. Genus. Wow, I haven't heard that name in forever. Genus. GNUS. This was a big timer back then last year during the Twitter pumps. I mean, I would imagine this thing has some sort of news. Let's go take a look. So 12 minutes ago, Genus brand signs 20-year deal with Marvel Studios to license Stan Lee for the use of future featured films, television productions, etc. Wow, 20 years. Damn, if it wasn't for all these moving averages up here, I would say this would be one to definitely keep on watch. I definitely would watch this 76-cent zone. We're well above that right now, but it could pull in. You can see previous support. It was really a really strong level of support previously, for a while anyways. Turned resistance right in here. Now we're well above it. The next level to watch on it would be that $1 zone. That $1 zone, you can see, was also a very strong level of resistance. Oh, sorry, support. Turned resistance right here. We've got it right up into its face, 98 cents. Right? That's dollar, basically. If you can break up over that, I mean, this thing could go. So definitely want to keep on a little bit of back burner watch there. Do I ever consider the VIX when considering position size? No, I don't. Like when I'm in a day trade or swing trade? No. No. Especially if it's a small cap. If I'm looking at a larger, a larger play, maybe something like a Tesla or an AMD or an Nvidia, Roblox, I'll look at the SPY. I'll keep in mind what the SPY's doing. And sometimes, like I think it was last week, all my alerts are in the Discord always. You can go see them if you remember. We had a trade on Tesla where I was trading Tesla options, but I was looking at the SPY chart. And my stop was based, thank you. My stop was based on the SPY. It wasn't based on the Tesla chart. Jose, I don't know if you're out there, man, but the Cuban coffee came. It's scorching hot. Gonna have to wait for it to cool down just a little bit. And how about making some likes? Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, Taylor. Look, Taylor Adams says, how about some likes, guys? We got 27 people watching and only 19 likes. We got 31 people watching, 32 and only 19 likes. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're doing a raffle here. If you comment in the chat section, you will be entered into a raffle that I will announce the winner at the end via Wheel of Names. But you have to chat in the chat section in order to be entered into the raffle. Poolman732, I see you, adding you to the raffle. KAVL, man, I have not seen that name in forever as well. No, there's nothing going on here. There's nothing going on here at all. I would watch maybe some resistance in these 130s if you can get there, but there's no volume, there's no trading action going on here. This is a big nothing burger right now. It's going to need a piece of news to get it moving. This 118 area is going to be probably a little bit of a tough zone to break. Do you do options for swing trades? Yes, I do. I don't swing trade every day, but there are other mods in the day trader chat room that do swing trade specifically. Umberto's our swing trade moderator. I do swing trade, but not all the time. Here you go, DTC Lite. If you want to join for a couple weeks, for free, you got 2 weeks free. Let me see if I miss anybody else. NCMI Pullman. This doesn't look like something. Doesn't look like something I would look to trade. You'll probably have a lot of tough time getting through 240s. Or even the 220s for that matter. You got the 50-day moving average there at 227 plus some previous lows. It's no volume. Maybe if it can hold above 160s, but it's not a lot there for me. NIO. All right, guys. We're going to start having to formulate the watch list in a few minutes, so I might not be taking many more of these. NIO, I'd watch this 50-day moving average for potential resistance right there. Previous support, previous support, previous support zone. That might turn into resistance now. Elvis, yeah, la cafecito. You make the best coffee in the Middle East. I've seen some of your pictures on Facebook. Dan, yep. Yeah, Jose, raffle today. I got you on here. Timberwolf, let me add you to the raffle. Let me make sure I didn't miss anybody. Andre, let me add you to the raffle. All right, I got everybody. Oxy. Yesterday, somebody was asking me about Oxy puts, and I was like, that thing's strong. I would not be jumping in front of that thing. I think it's still obviously strong. It's just got to get over the 69. If it can get over 69, you know, maybe it'll make a little move there. But right now, that level is holding strong resistance. I think you'd have to look for support between 63 to 65-ish. That might be like the new little channel for it. Haha, Joey. I'll Amazon Prime it over. All right, so AGR. Let's go jump into the SPY. Let's hit up that SPY real quick. Guys, 30 likes. Thank you very much for the likes. We got 36 people in the stream. We got 30 likes. That's pretty close. Nice. So SPY. I think if the SPY can continue to hold. Can continue to hold that level right there. I think it has to be kept on watch for calls. Because if we can get through 410, I think we should see 420, 415, 420. I think we should see that level get tested. I think we should see 415 get tested if we can get through 410. But we got to hold this what is this, 403.15, 403s. Yeah, like that 403 range, we got to hold that level. We got to hold that level. That's the level that's been holding recently. So keeping eyes on the SPY for that. So let me get in here, type this up. SPY watching the 403 zone for support, could have room towards 410 if 410 breaks. Watching for a test of 415. So that's what I would be watching on the SPY. All right, guys, if you're interested in trade ideas, those are the other scanners I use, the main ones, honestly, that I use. Make sure to take a look at the 2-week trial they're doing. Here's a link in chat for you. So AGRI, SPY. Let's go take a peek at Tesla. Tesla's still struggling in those 750s. Tesla's been in a very difficult trading area, but Tesla's been struggling a lot in those mid 750s. So I'd watch that level for potential resistance. Watching the mid 750s for resistance. Could have room to fall back down towards 710 area. That's what I would watch on Tesla, guys. As far as the scans go, not really a fan of almost anything on the scan. Let me check here on my trade idea scanners. See DPSI on there. Let's take a look at that one. This one had a pretty big move here really quickly in the pre-market session. Golly, man, all the way up here towards 14. You know what's funny? Look at our daily chart. I drew this line up here a while back. Let's hover over it and see the date. I drew this line. I've moved this line a couple times, but the original time I drew it seems to have been in December of last year. And then I moved it recently again. So there you go. DPSI could not get through 14 once again. If this stock ever gets through 14, that thing might have some room to move. All right, so yeah, I'm not really a fan of almost anything on the scans right now. Let's go take a look at AMD real quick. AMD. It's just like a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern. Not the cleanest, a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern going on there. It's kind of really, really sloppy. I don't like it. On AMD, I mean, you have to at this point watch 99 to potentially hold support. AMD could have room here to 106s. Even 112. So I think AMD has to be kept on watch that way. AMD watching the 99 area for support. Could have room towards, call it 110 zone. 106 to 110. We'll get this watch list sent to your inbox in a little bit. Genus we went over earlier. This thing's just being a monster. You know, with Genus, I'd have to say you'd have to watch $1 for a breakup over $1. Could have room towards the 115 area. If it can break up over 115, that's when it really could open up here and maybe make a move towards 130s to 150s. Here's with news, 20-year deal for Marvel, Stan Lee. How did that read? 20-year deal with Marvel, license. With Marvel to license Stan Lee. Watching the $1 area for support. Could have room towards 115. So what I say about 140s or 150? No, 130s. Oh no, yeah, well, about 150. 115 to 150. That's what I would watch on that one, but it has to break and hold It has to break and hold $1. Guys, remember, in a few minutes here, we're going to run the raffle. So now is your chance. Last chance, basically, to enter the raffle. Type in chat. Just whatever. A ticker if you want, or good morning. Anything you type in chat will enter you into the raffle. And then we will run the Wheel of Names in a couple more minutes and pick a winner. And then I'll tell you how to contact me to claim your prize. All right. So far, AGRI, SPY, Tesla, AMD, Genus. Let's check Netflix. Target. God, man, Target got rocked. It's so hard to go get short something like this now, because like how much more further downside could it possibly have in it? Aaron, raffle me up. Every time I read the name Aaron, man, it comes like that funny commercial comes to mind. Aaron. I got you, Aaron. All right, boom. Francisco, gotcha in the raffle. Good morning, good morning. Exxon, I mean, that's just, you got to keep an eye on crude for this. You just got to keep an eye on crude for this. I think a lot of this move coming back in oil has been because the reopening in China. And that's been causing a lot of this bounce back in oil. For Benny Bear, thank you very much. That's what your buds call you, and I don't blame him, Aaron. I need a friend with the name Aaron so I can call him Aaron. That's it. Harvey, you like turtles? You know, me too. I'm thinking about getting a tortoise. I'm thinking about getting a cherry face redfoot tortoise. They don't grow too big. I got a huge yard, so I'm gonna build in a little enclosure and everything. Probably do it soon, soonish, maybe after the summer. So let me put you in the raffle here. $6 a gallon, insane. Marshall, so what you're saying is I have to make my own friend, name him Aaron, so I can call him Aaron. I think you just gave me the solution to my problem. Gonna have to make a son. Name him Aaron. You know, no kidding though. If we ever have a son, because we have a daughter, if we ever have a son, I always said I was going to name him Ricardo. And I know we have a Ricardo here in the stream. All right. So AGRI, SPY, Tesla, AMD, Genus, Target, I feel like it's so far down that it's, I don't really like to short them when they're this bad. Because how much further downside could it have today? I'm not saying that it can't go lower later on, but this is a major level already. Like, how much more downside could it have today? You know, could it have room to 143 today? I don't know. So I'll probably just let it go. Walmart could have a little bounce there off those 120. Well, it's already having the bounce off those 120s. Walmart watching the mid 120s for support. Could have room towards the 133s. So AGRI, SPY, Tesla, AMD, Genus, Walmart is what I'll keep on the watch list today. Taylor says, Jesse, I left a video on the Discord for you to watch after what you said with, by the way, everyone join DTC chat room. I'm funny enough to be worth it. 2-week trial, guys. Taylor says join. He's one of our members, so you must join. 2-week trial right there for DTC. I'm live like this all day long. In the morning, we're trading. We're going over tickers. We're going over my live trades. Then in the mid-morning, we do live recaps and live lessons, as well as I do Q&As. Yesterday, we did a session of interactive training. Then lunch 12 to 2. At 2 p.m. I get back on the microphone and we do afternoon scans. I'm not like those people out there that have these rooms that they're on there for 30 minutes and then they have to leave to their jobs. This is what I do. So I'm here all day long. All right. It's just $24.99 a month. It will go up probably midsummer to fall. We will be upping that price. We used to do a whole month for free. We knocked that down now to 2 weeks. So take advantage of that. All right. I got everybody. Just about everybody. I see another Aaron in here. Hey, Aaron. Cutlip. You can be my friend. I am your friend, my man. I got you on here now for the raffle. Chewy. 13, I got you on here for the raffle. Jose, don't forget AMC. AMC trying to hold 13. If it can hold 13, it could have room there towards 15-ish. Otherwise, if it gets back under 13, I wouldn't be surprised to see it at 11. Oh, Martin, let me add you to the raffle. And good job there, because that's one that we need to go over. So... Chewy, I couldn't give that to you because I don't know it off the top of my head. Look. First of all my trades are on here. Like every single alert I've ever put on, including some orders. Because sometimes I won't be able to alert it to go by too quick, and I'll just alert it on the microphone, or I'll go over the trade on the microphone. And then I'll just post my screenshot there because, you know, just to show people, even though I didn't physically type it in the alert section, I was there. My accuracy ranges between the mid to high 60s to low 70. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, yeah, my accuracy is in the 80s and 90s. No. My accuracy is in the mid 60s for the most part. But what my students learn the most, and I'll show you, is risk management. You come on over here to the Discord and you go to the testimonial section. Where's the testimonials? Here we go. Here's one that just got put up yesterday. I took the 5-day free trial a year ago and was only able to participate for 3 of the trading days due to other commitments. Once the trial was over, I occasionally came back to lurk, where I would be looking at other sites and Discord groups. I was getting lots of information overload, not knowing how to put it all together to execute profitable trades. During this time, my account dwindled down 95% of its value. I finally bit the bullet and bought the 1-year membership. The 1-year membership gives you access to all my courses and video lesson library, plus every course I drop. I am now trading with the remaining 5% of my account balance. As of today's closing, I am 12 trading days in, and my account is up 200% in gains. My 1-year subscription is paid for and I'm making money. I should have signed up last year. And like, you know, these are members in here posting their reviews. So we're super open there. You can see everything there. Let me see. Yeah, that's the thing about right now, Chewy. Right now, this volatility, that's where active traders like us can really take advantage. Now, all right. Guys, I'm gonna do this raffle real quick because it's 9:02. I gotta get over to the Discord. I did not expect this kind of action in this live stream today. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Remember to hit that like button for me, guys. Let me make sure I got everybody in the live stream on. Elvis, check out Earnings Whisperer. They have one, and we post it sometimes in the Discord. Umberto does often. Okay, I got everybody for the raffle. All right, we're going to run the raffle. Joey says, Jesse, you need to do the show from your Lambo. My Lambo is actually that Keys property I bought. That's what my Lambo is. And that's a great one, man, because the down payment on that house was $100,000 or $110,000. I don't remember exactly. And that house right now, the realtor and I were talking about listing it for $1.2 million. Boom. I should do a video on that. All right. So let's run this raffle. Oh, VERU. I got you, Martin. We'll do it. Okay, Harvey. Javon Harvey. You won. So you must be in here now to claim your prize. If you're in here, type in chat there real quick that you're in here, and then I'll give you the instructions on how to claim your prize. In the meanwhile, VERU, that $16 area is going to be the key. It needs to break that level and hold VERU, watching the $16 area to break and become support. Could have room towards 18. That's what I would watch on VERU. Oops. Javon Harvey, are you in here? Guys, if he doesn't claim the prize, we're going to move the... I usually don't do the raffle every day. What we'll do is we'll do the raffle tomorrow. I was not going to do a raffle tomorrow, but if Javon Harvey's not in here now to claim his prize, we're going to do the raffle again tomorrow. So you must be in here tomorrow and do the same thing. Comment in the chat section so I can write down your name, and then we'll do the wheel of names tomorrow again. This is the first time the person that's won hasn't been in here to claim their prize. Guys, if you've been here before and won, type in chat there. I think Taylor won once, if I'm not mistaken. Yannick won. He said it a minute ago. So, you know, these guys have been in here. They've won, and they've been in here towards the end and claimed their prize. So I'm really surprised. First time we've had somebody not be here by the end. That's a shame. That's a shame. All right, guys. I got to get on. See, Yannick won last time. I got to get on over to the Discord and put the final touches on the watch list. If you are... Young Love won as well. And like I've said, if you guys have won in the past, what I would do is if you won again, you'll get a different prize. So once again, guys, before I go, DTC Light. Yeah, but you didn't win. Javon Harvey won, and he's not here, so we're going to move it on to tomorrow. 2 weeks trial there for DTC Light. If you're interested in the trade idea scanners, you got 2 week trial there going on. 2 week trial for Trade Ideas Test Drive. And that includes Holly, their artificial intelligence. Anyways, guys, I'm going to put the final touches on the watch list, and I'm going to get this sent over to Jonal. He'll put it in an email and send it out to everyone. Chewy, you were close. And he'll send it out to everybody. There's a link there if you want to sign up for the watch list so you can get it. I'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. and we'll do the raffle again and see who wins tomorrow. And hopefully they'll be here around 8:55, 9 o'clock when we run the raffle, and they can claim their prize. Good luck out there, everybody, today. Stay disciplined. Manage your risk, all right? That's the key to longevity in this game. Keep that risk management in check, and I'll see you all either over on the Discord or I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream. Peace out.